If your budget is around $20, don't buy a headset until you've seen how this one performs. For the price range, the 50mm drivers do more than expected. At 100% volume, the output is strong, present, and reaches a level that became uncomfortable during extended listening. I had to bring it down to between 50 and 70% to use it comfortably. At that range, the low frequencies lose some presence. They are there, but they do not stand out. The mid and high frequencies hold up well at lower volumes, keeping the overall sound clear and balanced enough for a headset in this category. At maximum volume, however, the low frequencies become much more prominent, and the full output capacity of those 50mm drivers is noticeable. The weight sits around 230 grams without the cable. That number sounds heavier than the actual experience. The ear cushions and headband use synthetic leather on the outside, and the foam underneath is soft enough to distribute the weight evenly. After several hours of use, with or without glasses, the pressure on the ears and the top of the head remained comfortable. The headband foam holds up well for long sessions. The synthetic leather on the earpads and headband will generate more warmth during extended use, but regular cleaning keeps that under control. The adjustment range on the Arc is limited, reaching about 1.5 to 2 centimeters of extension, which may not accommodate all head sizes equally. The microphone is short and sits close to the face. It captures audio clearly when positioned toward the mouth. Even when rotated upward, it remains active. Muting is done through the inline control on the cable, not by flipping the microphone. The sensitivity is high. It captures surrounding sounds, including computer fans and ventilation, without filtering them. There is no noise reduction. The audio quality from the microphone is acceptable for daily use, but it is not suited for professional recordings. This headset works well for someone looking for an entry-level option for gaming and casual daily use, who does not need wireless or noise reduction, and who can accept a limited adjustment range in exchange for a lower price. If you are looking for something with more balanced audio, better durability, and a stronger microphone, the Redragon Zeus Lite brings reinforced construction, excellent comfort, and consistent low frequencies. If you want a balance between audio quality, build, comfort, and microphone performance, the JBL Quantum 100 holds up well across all of those areas. And if audio output and microphone quality are your priority above everything else, the HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 Core delivers a more advanced experience in both, at the cost of being more delicate in construction. All three are reviewed separately on this channel. That covers my complete take on the Elg Falkor. If you decided this is the right product for you and want to support the work I do here, consider using the affiliate links in the description. I already selected the best prices I could find to make it easier for you. When you buy through those links, you pay nothing extra, but you directly support the channel in continuing to create honest and detailed reviews like this one. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.